Imagine throwing a straight stick through a curved hoop. Where do they cross? Today we learn how a straight line and a curve can meet, and how to find exactly where. Simultaneous equations means two equations that are true at the same time. A linear equation gives a straight line. A quadratic equation gives a curved parabola. We solve them together graphically. A quadratic like y equals x squared makes a U-shaped curve called a parabola. Think of it like the inside of a cooking pot. Every x value gets squared to give y. When we draw the straight line on the same axes, it cuts the curve at certain points. These crossing points are the solutions. Reading their x and y coordinates gives us the answers. Example 1. Solve y equals x squared and y equals x plus 2 graphically. First, make a table of values for the quadratic. Substitute x equals -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Plot both graphs. They cross at -1, 1 and 2, 4. So x equals -1, y equals 1, and x equals 2, y equals 4. Two solution pairs. Boxed. Example 2. Solve y equals x squared minus 2x and y equals 2x minus 3. Build the table for the quadratic first. Substitute each x value carefully. Remember the minus 2x part. The graphs cross at 1, -1 and 3, 3. Always read both x and y from the graph. These are your two solution pairs. Write them clearly for full marks. Many students lose marks by writing only the x values. The examiner wants both x and y for each point. Also, do not forget, a line can cross a parabola at 0, 1, or 2 points. Remember TPR. Table, plot, read. Make the table plot both graphs neatly. Read the crossing points. Always give answers as coordinate pairs. That is your exam weapon. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons that make maths simple. Visit ovasaabi.com and share with a friend. See you next time.